Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to give some deep knowledge about each and every subject which is very beneficial for all the students. It will make you as able to give the perfect definition of any subjects according to your needs. First of all, I am going to explain about the geography means bhugol. Geography word is used by Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is known as the father of geography. Eratosthenes belongs from Greek and he was a highly qualified person. And geography words derive from two main words, geo and graphos. Geo means earth and graphos means explanation. Due to the help of both of these words, we can make a definition according to our needs. The explanation about the earth is called geography. In a brief way, if we have to respond certainly to the other people, to anyone, we can use this definition. The explanation about the earth is called geography. And the second subject is physics. Physics words derived from physicia. It means natural things. The branch of science in which we study about the matter and natural resources is called physics. विज्ञान की वह शाखा जिसमें हम प्राकृतिक स्रोतों के बारे में अध्ययन करते हैं उसे हम फिजिक्स कहते हैं या भौतिकी विज्ञान कहते हैं. फिजिक्स के पितामह या फिजिक्स के जनक थियोफ्रेस्टस को कहा जाता है. द फादर ऑफ फिजिक्स इज नोन एज थियोफ्रेस्टस. एंड द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इज केमिस्ट्री. केमिस्ट्री वर्ड डिराइव्स फ्रॉम कीमिया. इट मीन्स ब्लैक कलर. In the beginning of days, the study of chemistry is known as a chematicking. Therefore, Lavoisier is known as a father of chemistry. Lavoisier को chemistry का पितामह कहा जाता है. The exact definition of chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the composition and properties of elements is called chemistry. And then the next is biology. Biology, the definition of biology is the study of life is called biology. Yeah, the branch of science in which we study about living organisms is called biology. Biology is derived from two words. Bio means life, study. Logos, the second word is logos. Logos means study. Therefore, the study of life is called biology. जीवन के अध्ययन को ही हम जीव विज्ञान कहते हैं. The one main point about the biology subject is that whose term the words biology. Biology शब्द का सबसे पहले किसने यूज किया था या प्रयोग किया था? Biology words is termed first of all by Treviranus and Lamarck. Lamarck belongs to a France and Treviranus belongs to a Germany. Both of them were coined the biology words in the year 1801. बायोलॉजी शब्द का सबसे पहले ट्रेविनेनस और लैमार्क ने यूज किया था सन 1801 ईस्वी में. बट ड्यू टू द डीप नॉलेज एंड गिव अ सिस्टमेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ अ बायोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट, एरिस्टोटल इज नोन एज अ फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी. लेकिन क्रमबद्ध या सुचारू रूप से जीव विज्ञान का ज्ञान या वर्णन करने के कारण एरिस्टोटल या अरस्तु को जंतु विज्ञान का पितामह कहा जाता है या जीव विज्ञान का पितामह कहा जाता है. आई होप इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स एंड विद द वीडियो वॉइस. आफ्टर ऑल आई हैव रिटन आवर नोट्स अबाउट दिस टॉपिक and I request to all the students, please mention it in your fair copy and keep a study continue, and please don't move here and there without any needs, and keep inside your home for to keep safe of yourself and for to keep safe of your family also. That's all for today.